wash these things. And there's some more over here. It's only a pizza. Oh, oh. Yes, finally I finished. Look at this. There's no more. Now let's wash these things. Good thing I have a water on my bucket. Joke. I watered this little tiny. So let's pour it in the this. Oh, yeah. Okay, now pour it in. There's a water more over here. I'm gonna scoop this. Pshing, pshing, pshing. Oh, I'm gonna wash these things up. No. One down. Two down. Five down. Okay. Six down. So many more. One thing that I could figure out what to. Oh, I think I have an idea. Yes, I'm gonna put this in this, and wash it in, and this is clean. Yeah, this is the one. Ching, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, done. And then the last ones. Don't forget about these. Done. Now this is all perfect. Now let's grab. I know. I will be right back. You know a perfect thing for this? Answer in 3, 2, 1. A frying pan! So comment down below if you guess it. Now, let's put it in. Also, we need to not put this down first. We need a water. Okay, here's the water. Ugh. Oh, nah. There's so many waters. Okay, I'm gonna scoop it. Done. And then I'm gonna put this in And then we boil water. Okay. Oh, this is boiled water. Ting. It's boiling. Let's add the powder in. Okay, I will be right back. The powder is in that. I'm gonna go. Okay guys, here's the powder and I will put it in. First let's and put in this and this, put it in this and then mix it a little bit with the water. Boom boom bing and done. Then you will put it in. Huh? I don't know what's next. I better look at the recipe book. The title is Cooking Book. Now let's see what's the first ingredient. The first ingredient is a water in this, and the second ingredient is to boil the water, and third ingredient is we put in here the powder, and the fourth ingredient is this. This. So I know. Thank you, recipe book. I'm gonna cook so masterfully. Mwah. Let's cook. Ting, 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 ting. Okay, and the last one. Okay, and here it is. Yeah. Now let's cook it.
Pwede na nga gagawin ko.
I'm gonna cook it. Ching.
Ay, hindi naman ito kanina, bibigay na lang sa'yo. Oreo na lang siya.
I'm gonna cook it. I'm gonna grab a spear. I don't know what that means, but I'm gonna go get it. It's not a hammer, but it's something. Yeah, it's something.
Ipasapin mo, something isa yan.
It's not a hammer, but I guess I'm gonna go with the hammer. In this. I'm gonna put it on a plastic and I will take 3 of them. And blue. Black. It's black. little thing.
Ito naman, nagbablog na si Garibio.
Okay, then
Nagbablog pala siya. I got a ponytail! I got a ponytail! Nagbablog si Papa. Yes ka na.
a little bit and I will put it in the plastic. Just I said earlier, it's blue. I will take 3 of them.
That is omelette behind you. Fighting kids.
Okay, and I will take blue of them, like I said, and this done, and where's the blue? Oh, this is blue, a kind of it blue, and oh no, this is not blue. This is blue, and blue another, and
What's that?
okay, I'm gonna put it in the plastic. Okay, I'm gonna go grab it. This the plastic I will put it in. Okay, now let's shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. La 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 la. It works. I'm gonna eat this thing. I got to go save this. Okay. Let's eat it.
Kahit na ba, be? Ha?
I'm gonna lick it. It's good. I ate one.
Buksan niyo pala yung ilaw. Buksan ito bukas.
I'm about to eat two. one. No. Thank you for watching this video and make sure to